Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to pay Temu at a convenience store in Japan, step by step. This is perfect for travelers or residents who prefer cash payments. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have downloaded the Temu app on your phone. Open the app, review your cart and hit confirm order. Now when prompted for a payment method, select convenience store and then tap submit order. You'll receive a 6-digit payment code on your screen. This code is key to keep it handy. Next, head to your nearest FamilyMart convenience store. Once you're there, look for the Family Port machine. That's where the magic happens. Start by entering your phone number to confirm your order details on the screen. Once everything looks good, agree to the terms and print out your payment slip. Take the slip straight to the cashier and pay the exact amount in cash. The cashier will process your payment and give you a receipt. This is your proof of payment, so keep it safe. And that is it. You have successfully paid for your Temu order using a convenience store in Japan. Hope this guide helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you found this useful. Catch you later.